Tipsy Unicorn is Tipsy Collective's largest and most ambitious project to date, and what we're trying to achieve here is to be an entertainment-centric beach club. So spanning over 19,000 square feet, Tipsy Unicorn have an outdoor venue that can seat up to about 300 over people and up to 2,000 to 3,000 people for events when we do book out the whole beachfront. In the indoor side, we could sit up about 100 people and up to about 150 people for events. And level 2, we have 5 private suites, with 4 of it overlooking the whole beachfront and 1 which is more private karaoke room. Music is everything, so it's all about the entertainment, it's all about the acts. So when we were planning for Tipsy Unicorn's sound system, we thought of putting in a system that actually could be catered for events, festivals, and it's not just for the day-to-day.
When we were first given the brief from the client, we knew from the very beginning that this was going to be a very exciting project. Right off the bat, they wanted to be able to do music festivals, outdoors, indoors. Yeah, so the system that we designed is capable of doing that. We've got the VTX A12 and B28s for the outdoor system, and we have the AE series for the indoor. So the VTX A12 system was designed to actually provide coverage beyond the pool to the beach for when they do big EDM festivals. We've used a wide range of speakers from JBL for the different spaces. You know, we've got the AC18s in the VIP suite. We've got the AWCs for the day beds and the beach bar. For the changing room areas, we've got the Control 18 CTs. And of course, everything is powered by Crown and processing by BSS. We've also tapped into other products from HARMAN stable with Martin lighting for the architectural and entertainment lighting. And we're also using AMX SVSI for digital signage.
Every customer that walked in have been giving us so much positive feedback about how great the sound system is. And personally, I think it's a great system, and I'm so proud and glad that we have that installed in Tipsy Unicorn.